Now we'll work the next increases in pattern. So knit blue, CC, then we'll knit blue and we'll knit front and back blue. Knit front and back. Then you'll just continue in pattern 4 CC, 1 blue, and so on to the end of the row. Here's the end of that row. So this first time increasing is the only time that we have 5 contrasting color stitches in a row. Now we get right back into the blue, knit front and back, and then blue, CC, blue. Then let me show you what happens when you purl. You start with CC, 2 blue, and then we're working in pattern again. So it's going to be CC, blue, then 4 CC, then 1 blue. And we'll be growing these triangles basically as we expand. So this is sewn together, but if we were to lay it flat, we would see that we're growing on this side and we're growing on this side.